Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. Today I am going to show you a calculator by using Python in Ideally. This is the code. Let us run and check the calculator working. See, it shows enter the number 1. Let's take a random number. Enter the number 2. This is the sum, this is the difference, and this is the product, and this is the quotient. Now let us do the code from line to line step by step. First we need to define a function. The function name is calculator. We need to give an input. We need to take the input from the user. Like before, how I gave the number as input, we need to give that input. Let's write the code for it. Let's take a variable that is num1. The type is int, so that because it is the number which we are taking, so that we need to keep int, then input, then enter the number 1. Same like that, number 2, second variable. Now we need to again create 4 variables with the name of ASMD. A for addition, num1 plus num2, then S for subtraction, num1 minus num2, then M for multiplication, num1 into num2, then D for division. Now we need to print the sum of the numbers is, then we need to give comma and call this function, call this variable A. In same way for subtraction, multiplication and division. Here S, here M, here D. Difference, product, quotient. Let us call the function here calculator and 2 brackets. Now let us run and check. Now first number, then second number. See, we got the same output. The sum, the difference, the product and the quotient. I think you understood how to do this calculator in Python by using this ideally. Let's meet in our next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.